Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 green smoothie recipes that are not only healthy but also delicious. Let's start with kale and kiwi green smoothie, which is fruity, slightly sweet and tart. The ingredients you will need are coconut water, kale. I'm using baby kale because it's quite mild, but you can use any leafy greens you like, kiwi, frozen mango, and avocado. Blend on high until smooth. The next recipe is for apple spinach smoothie, which is perfectly balanced, slightly sweet, slightly tart, and slightly creamy. The ingredients you will need are almond milk, or any plant-based milk you like, flaxseed meal. I'm using golden flaxseed meal, but brown flaxseed meal works just as well, spinach, apple. I did freeze the apple ahead of time, but it's optional, and a frozen banana. Blend on high until smooth. The last recipe is for cucumber pineapple smoothie, which has a bold tropical flavor. The ingredients you will need are coconut milk, spinach, cucumber, frozen pineapple, and half of a frozen banana. Blend on high until smooth. And that's it. 3 delicious green smoothie recipes. If there's one food I eat every single morning, it's a smoothie. I honestly don't remember the last time I did not have a smoothie for breakfast, and green smoothies are my favorite. So here we have 3 green smoothie recipes, and Tanner, who does not drink green smoothies every single morning, will talk us through the flavors.
Okay, this is easy. This one is apple spinach. Everyone's probably had some rendition of this one. It's like there's bananas as a sweetener as well. So the apples and the bananas go really well together because bananas have a low-key sweet note, but then the apples have this high sparkling sweet note that goes through and they meld together really nicely. I really like that. I can't detect the spinach really at all. So I think this is going to be the most familiar for most people.
And that one is your favorite?
Yeah, it's the sweetness level for me is just perfect. It's not too sweet. Not this one is less sweet. This is a pineapple and cucumber, and the cucumber provides in a good way, it provides a refreshing, cool but watery taste. If you've eaten a cucumber, you know what I mean. They're just full of water, right? And it comes through in the flavor here. So It serves its purpose though really well because the pineapple has a really powerful citrus like pre-taste, if you will, but then the aftertaste can be, I can only describe it like if you've ever eaten an orange and there's like citrus fruit just has an like a natural smell to it and taste to it that can almost be bitter. Like
Pineapple is a tropical fruit, not a citrus fruit.
it's not a citrus fruit?
No.
Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. But it's got this certain aftertaste that I would associate with like an orange peel. And it's got like that. There's an actual chemical. I know it's an actual chemical on an orange peel that I can taste in there. And so I think that the cucumber mellows it out. It like draws down that bitterness afterwards in the aftertaste. And it equalizes everything. So I really like that. But it does have the least amount of flavor of all these. This one has the most amount of flavor.
The kiwi kale.
The kiwi kale. Kale has, I think, a very powerful flavor, and kiwi is a very sour, almost tart flavor. So what's really cool about this one too is the texture in the kiwi, like the seeds comes through, and so like as you get a little bit of pop and texture in the texture of this smoothie. That's really cool. It has the most amount of flavor, no doubt. So I'm gonna go back to this one and say that this is like the most balanced flavor out of all of them.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.